Hello, everyone. Today we're going to work with our central idea and summary again, since we're done testing, and we're going to talk about differentiating between unimportant and important details in the text. So our focus today is on differentiating between the important and unimportant details in the text. Our job is to be an ace reporter, to deciding what details to report and deciding what details to report on, take careful thought. Choosing the best ones will make the writing stronger. So your summary will be stronger if you choose the right supporting details. Here are the guidelines for figuring out what is important in a text. What is interesting is not always what is most important. Pay special attention to repeated ideas, words, and phrases. Read the first couple of sentences in each paragraph very carefully because they often contain the main idea of the paragraph. Subtitles often help you narrow your focus by identifying the main idea. Okay, key details must support the central idea. This is probably most important. Your key details must support the central idea. Okay, oops, I didn't want that yet. Gist statements will help you to remember the most important ideas. Your gist statements and your highlighting in your close reading will help you remember what the most important ideas are. So go ahead and pause this recording and take notes on this page right here. Okay. Now we must support the central idea with evidence from the text. Your central idea is like a tabletop. It has to be supported with strong legs or else it's no good. So your central idea must have strong supporting details or it's no good. Okay? Supporting details must come from the beginning, the middle, and the end of the text. First, to begin with, next, second, finally, last. These are all good transitions to use in your writing. Okay, as you support your central idea with key details. In nonfiction, the gist is all about figuring out the main ideas in a paragraph. Read the first couple of sentences in a paragraph carefully since the main idea is often found there. Read the middle of the paragraph for clarifying information about the main idea, and then read the last sentences in the paragraph to get the summary of the information. And then try to figure out what the main ideas of each section of writing are. Okay, and how they support the central idea. And then next, we're going to talk about writing a strong, organized summary. But first, I'm going to show you guys how to identify key details in your text. So if you guys remember correctly, we already worked with this article, Why Your Mindset Matters, and we determined that the central idea was your mindset matters, or having a growth mindset is important, or your mindset is important. There were three different central ideas we could choose from, okay? So when you're reading this text, it's important to go through and try to find the central idea, okay? And you guys already close read. You can go back and close read this again if you need to, but I've already picked out the details that I wanted because I did my close reading, okay? And I put a number 1 next to the first detail that I really, really liked. Your mindset can affect how you work at school, in sports, in the arts, and even how you can act and feel. That's going to be supporting detail number 1. I really like that one, and that's from the beginning. And then after I kept reading, I realized that in this paragraph right here, in this section right here, when they're talking about the different mindsets, that I think I found my other detail that I really liked. People with a growth mindset, on the other hand, are concerned with learning, not grades. They jump right in and work on difficult problems. They learn from their mistakes and try different ways of solving the problem. So I would say for this one, this is the second important detail that supports the central idea. People with a growth mindset are concerned with learning, and they can solve difficult problems. And then down here at the end, I found another detail that I really liked for a supporting detail and for my third and final supporting detail. Everyone has some type of each mindset. They're like voices in your head. The trick is to recognize your fixed mindset voice and your growth mindset voice. So I think that's my third detail right there that supports the central idea. So now that we've found our three details, or once you find your 3 details, you're ready to start your writing. And in the next video, I'm going to go over how to start your writing based on the details that you found. Okay? Thanks, guys.